This video explains the main elements of the XenoGuard user interface. The XenoGuard user interface is very structured and intuitive. You will quickly find your way around it. The most important area of the software is the Automation Center. It provides all the functions needed to create and execute action scripts. In the upper area, you can find the ribbon containing the most important functions. These functions will assist in loading, saving, closing, and executing scripts. They can also help with debugging and activating the single-step mode. During your first time using the software, you will find the Workspace Explorer on the left side. The Workspace Explorer section is where all the actions are arranged thematically by groups. The most important groups contain actions for programming and for Windows. Take note that the Actions folders will have a blue icon. Below, you will find all the scripts that you can save in different folders, similar to how they're presented in the Windows Explorer. The script folders will have a bright folder icon. For a quick search of actions and scripts, the Workspace Explorer features a filter. As soon as you enter the first letters of the search term, all entries are listed automatically. By clicking on the red cross, you can delete the set filter. Creating a new script. When you create a new script with New, it is displayed in the right pane. You can now drag and drop individual actions from the Workspace Explorer with the mouse and drop them at the desired location in the script. Repeat this until your script is finished. A XenoGuard script will display the actions clearly and compactly. Each action has a unique name and its icon. This is followed in parentheses by the input parameters that change the behavior of the action. For example, the action wait provides the parameter wait time in milliseconds. You can edit and change the default value directly with Enter. You may also double-click on a cell to open the editor. If you want a clear representation of all parameters, then you can expand the node on the left side of the action. XenoGuard shows you a tabular representation of all parameters consisting of the name and a value. Use the cursor keys to navigate in the table and jump from cell to cell. The advantage of XenoGuard is its ease of use. All actions are treated the same, regardless of whether you develop the actions yourself or just apply them. You can process the input parameters and results of the actions directly via drag and drop and copy them into the next action. This way, you can reach your goal quickly and save the effort in doing any unnecessary copy and paste of data. A separate video presents the actions in more detail and explains exactly how to work with them. Frequently used XenoGuard windows. In the lower area, you will find other windows that are useful in your daily work with XenoGuard. The most important windows are the following. The output window, where important system messages will be displayed. The scheduler window, where you can automatically execute scripts that are trigger controlled. The error window will show errors while you're editing and during execution. Any global errors will also be entered here. In chronological order, XenoGuard displays all scripts that were last executed in the executions window. You may also move the windows and dock them in a different place based on your preferences. The remaining windows and their functions will be discussed in separate tutorial videos. Thank you for your interest. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to contact us. We'll be very glad to help you.